And today we're going to be unboxing the new, it's not really new, but the new Dyson Cyclone V10 Motorhead Black Edition for Black Friday.
Oh, no, no, no.
So in the box you'll be getting a charger so you can charge your Dyson Cyclone V2 Motorhead. It also comes with a crevice tool so you can get in tight spaces or corners. It comes with the 2-in-1 combination tool, so with a soft brush side and a hard side. It also comes with a dock and a dock mount, and it also has some screws so you can put in the wall. It comes with a direct drive cleaner, and the difference between this one and the Animal or the Absolute is that they have a torque drive which has adjustable gates and it's a better suction, but this one is also fine. It comes with the Dyson Cyclone V10 Motorhead Black Edition wand with the branding on it. And most importantly, it comes with the Motorhead. And something about this Motorhead is different. Also, it has a smaller bin size than the Absolute or the Animals. And something about it I saw is that this one it says boost on the max suction, and usually on the one I have an Absolute, it says max, so that's something that's different. And that's all. This is the end of the video. Thank you for sticking to the end. Thank you for supporting. And I'm going to go to bed. See ya.